Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! For today's video ay ipapakita ko yung sample na mapapanalunan na lucky bag na mabibili sa High Life. Dito makikita mo pwede kang manalo ng cellphone, bag, na Chanel, car, at kung ano-ano pa. Ito yung sample na bag niya. Sa loob may makukuha ka na chips, crispy plus, pwedeng iba-iba yan. And then face mask. And then, another chips, ito ay noodle snack. And then, ito yung
a few moments later.
the best surprise. Dito, pwede kang manalo ng kotse at saka ng cellphone. And then, tea. And then, bubble gum or candies. And then, Hong Pao. Sure ko lang guys, yung Hong Pao Chinese language, tapos yung Ang Pao Taiwanese language. And candies. Ito na guys, yung laman ng lucky bag na mabibili natin sa High Life for only 200 NT.